Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms where clients hire professionals from all over the world. You can earn money on Upwork by offering digital skills like writing, design, programming, or marketing. The first step is creating a professional account with your real name and a clear profile photo. Choose one main skill and focus on becoming highly specialized instead of offering everything. Write a strong headline that clearly explains the value you provide to clients. Your profile description should focus on how you solve client problems, not just your experience. Add a portfolio that shows real examples of your work, even if they are personal projects. Set competitive prices at the beginning to increase your chances of getting hired. Search for small beginner-friendly jobs to win your first contract quickly. Always read the job description carefully before sending a proposal. Write personalized proposals that directly address the client's needs. Keep your proposal short, clear, and focused on results. Respond quickly to client messages to show professionalism and reliability. Deliver your work on time and exceed expectations whenever possible. Ask satisfied clients politely for positive feedback after completing a job. High ratings will increase your visibility and trust on the platform. As your reputation grows, gradually increase your prices. Avoid copying proposals or using generic templates because clients notice that. Stay consistent and apply daily to new job opportunities. With patience, skill, and smart positioning, Upwork can become a stable source of online income.